I'll do it when we get to the top, Eden. Oh, Jocelyn.
Daddy, hold on to you.
Daddy holds on. Like this. Eden really wanted to go out, but she didn't want me to hold her. Oh, so there she is. Ooh, there she is. Oh, we're almost at the top now. Casper, you're excited? No. Oh, it's good. Nice view up here. Yeah, screaming eagle there. Bit of bouncy lift hill. Hey, you all excited? Don't be scared, we're alright.
I'm gonna have blue hair down.
Right, well, this is the last few moments have been dry, so here we go. Quite cute now for Dawson Jewel there. That's got up, we was at the shed before. Hold on tight, everyone. Here we go. Oh, you're a bit wet. Oh, we're soaked. Oh dear. Oh, what a soaking. Oh God. Oh God. Absolutely soaked there. Oh God. Oh God. Eden, how was that for you? Oh, what was that? Oh God. Absolutely soaking. Did you enjoy that, Casper?
No.
Oh, nice gentle ride back around. I think Robert's soaking wet. Oh God. Well, my feet were wet before, the rest of me's wet now, so there we go. We'll enjoy the rest of the day.